Today, I'm talking to people who are laying in a hospital bed right after a serious accident. They're dealing with medical treatment, but they're also wondering how they will deal with their finances, their medical bills, and all of the pain and suffering that they're going through. The first question is, should you wait until you're discharged, or is it better to start and look for a lawyer while you're still in the hospital? Our recommendation is always try to get a lawyer as soon as possible. Insurance companies will start collecting information, and sure enough, they'll know based on the severity of the injury, what's already been reported to them, that you probably have severe injuries and may be hospitalized. Those are the type of claims where the insurance company starts mobilizing quickly to defeat your case. They will start hiring their own legal counsel. They may be doing investigations. If it's your insurance company on a no-fault benefit, they might even start sending people in the hospital to meet with you. They might send healthcare providers to meet with you and prepare forms and try to determine what kind of healthcare you need. Now, while that all sounds good and helpful, the reality is all of the insurance companies, not just the insurance company for the at-fault party, but even your own insurance company, is always driven with a motive to save money. So even though they may have obligations under the contract, their motive is to save money. If at all possible, through your family, through your friends, someone you trust, or even yourself if you're well enough to do so, try to find a lawyer as soon as possible, even though you're still in the hospital. The question that comes up is, how do I select the right lawyer for a serious injury claim when I'm in the hospital? There's a few things you can do to inform yourself on whether or not the lawyer is the right lawyer for you. So number one, obviously, you want to find a personal injury lawyer with experience handling cases like yours. Is it a motorcycle accident, a truck accident, a car accident, a premises liability case? And has the lawyer experience in those areas of law representing people with serious injuries like yours? Number two, you want a lawyer with a good reputation. There's several ways to find out a little bit about that lawyer. You can look at their online reviews. There's typically reviews that are done specifically for lawyers that rate and review lawyers as well online. You can look at those. How many years of experience does the lawyer have? Have they been practicing a significant amount of time? You can look at client testimonials, case results. Things like that will give you some indication of the lawyer's reputation or experience. Third, when you're interviewing the lawyer, ask questions. Find out from the lawyer directly. Have you handled cases like mine? What kind of results have you had in the past with similar cases? And the lawyer should be able to also share that with you. And maybe they can even share with you a client that they've had that is willing to speak to you and give their own personal experience, share their experience with you. Most reputable personal injury lawyers that handle serious accident cases will provide you with an upfront consultation, no obligation, no fees, absolutely free and confidential. If the lawyer is asking for something upfront, that should be a red flag. Take the opportunity, interview lawyers. Don't just go off of somebody's recommendation necessarily. Interview them. And if you're not completely satisfied that they're the right lawyer for you, feel free to interview additional lawyers. Another way you can look to see the credentials of the lawyer is check out whether or not they are a member of, besides the local bar, but are they a member of local justice associations, trial lawyers associations, any other boards that demonstrate that this lawyer is extremely dedicated to that practice of law and is continuing education, participating in conferences, because that will also show you the lawyers that have a real passion for this area of law and are committed to improving their skills and always striving for excellence in the field. So that's also an important indicator if they are a member of some of these important national and local organizations specific to this area of law. And then, of course, accolades, reputation, all of that is really nothing unless you also have a personal connection with that lawyer. It can't be emphasized enough that personal injury claims really are a personal experience. You and that lawyer will have to work together for some period of time. It's going to involve your health, your finances, your family, your future. Because of that, you really want to work with a lawyer that you feel has your best interest at heart, that cares not only about your case, but cares about you and your outcome and your recovery, and really tries to make the process as comfortable as possible for you. Choosing the right lawyer should make your life easier, not harder. You're welcome to call us if you want a free consultation. We're happy to meet with you at your hospital or by video or by phone. If you have any questions about this subject or suggestions for other subjects, feel free to ask your questions in the comments below, and we'll try our best to address those in the future.